The internet, it's a universe of information, but where did it all begin? Imagine a time before cat videos and social media. In the 1960s, the US government needed a way to connect computers. This led to the creation of ARPANET, the internet's ancestor. ARPANET was designed to share research data. Scientists and engineers used it to collaborate. Over time, universities and other institutions joined the network. It grew bigger and more interconnected. In the 1980s, a new technology emerged, the World Wide Web. This invention made the internet accessible to everyone. The web introduced web pages, hyperlinks, and the first web browsers. With these tools, people could easily navigate the vast expanse of the internet. To navigate the web, we use web browsers. These are like spaceships for exploring the digital cosmos. Popular browsers include Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. They allow us to visit websites by typing in their addresses called URLs. But what happens when you type in a URL? Your browser acts as a client. It requests information from a server, a powerful computer that stores websites. This request is made using a special language called HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's the language that browsers and servers use to communicate. Think of it as a set of rules for exchanging information on the web. When a server receives an HTTP request, it sends back the requested website data. But how does information actually travel across the internet? The internet is a network of networks. It's like a giant web of interconnected cables, satellites, and wireless signals. When you send data over the internet, it's broken down into small packets. These packets travel through different routes to reach their destination. Routers are like traffic controllers. They direct data packets along the fastest and most efficient paths. Each packet carries the address information of its sender and receiver. Once all the packets arrive at their destination, they are reassembled in the correct order. This ensures that the information is received intact. The internet is designed to be resilient. If one path is blocked, packets can be rerouted through alternative routes. Websites are like digital homes for information. They are made up of web pages connected by hyperlinks. These pages are written using languages like HTML and CSS. HTML provides the structure and content of the page, while CSS styles its appearance. To make a website accessible to the world, it needs to be hosted on a server. Web hosting providers offer space on their servers to store websites. When someone types in your website's URL, their browser sends a request to your server. The server then sends back the requested website files to the user's browser. This allows them to view and interact with your website. From its humble beginnings, the internet has revolutionized communication, information sharing, and commerce.